That'll do, folks. Just a quick one. As the actress said to the bishop, I'm at the Elan Valley. My mate Jonathan, Papa Smurf, better known as Norton Unofficial on YouTube. I've been up here many times. Only today I thought we'd do it in reverse. We're doing it backwards. Normally I would start at Ryder, head to Elan Valley Visitor Centre, and then go all through Elan Valley, up the Devil's Bridge, and return via Llangurrig. Well, today I went up to Llangurrig first, come up over Devil's Bridge, with a statutory stop at the arch for photos, and now we're heading over the Elan Valley. It was suggested by one of the YouTubers I follow, can't remember who, that if you do a road regularly, do it in the opposite direction. It's completely different, and they are right. I strongly recommend it. If you do a route like Elan Valley on a regular basis, and as much as you love it, you get bored of it, which we all do, do it in reverse. Do it backwards. It's completely different. Absolutely 100% completely different. You're so used to coming the other way, you know the road the other way. The bends are wrong, the scenery is wrong, everything's backwards to what you're used to. But on the other side, you do see the scenery from a different direction. Highly recommended. Yeah, do it backwards. It's like I've never been up here before. Mad. Absolutely mad. Ooh. I am so used to coming the other way. This seems completely different. Like literally like I've never been up here before. Like I've never ridden this road before. Absolutely brilliant. Whoever suggested doing it in backwards or doing it in reverse, spot on, mate. I wish I could remember who you were, but spot on.
I get the drone out here.
Yeah.
I can follow you along. There's plenty of places for you to pull over.
Yeah.
And turn around and come back. I can just do the drone alongside of you from above.
I was thinking, did you want to fly the drone by here?
Yeah.
Get a bit of scenic view. I was going to stop down at the metal mines,
Yeah.
but it was so busy I didn't bother.
Yeah. But here there's hardly any traffic.
Up to you.
Up to you. I mean, you might look nice on the channel.
Yeah.
Following you around bends and stuff. Don't go too fast, because I don't know how we'll have to keep up with you.
I'm only going slow. Not too windy, is
If
it?
you want to do that, I mean, it will take 10-15 minutes to do a bit of filming. It's up to you.
Yeah, we can do.
Yeah.
It's a nice little section of road, isn't it?
Yeah, because I could just back up here. I'm not in anyone's way.
Yeah.
Just do a couple, poodle up and down. If the car comes, just bomb off.
Yeah. Oh. It's all very posh, this, isn't it? Come on, Elvis, we're going to be film stars. Here we go. There's the drone. Oh, beautiful scenery. Now the plan, I'm going to disappear up the road here, turn around somewhere and ride back down. And Jonathan's going to try and catch me on camera. Oh, look at that, isn't that just stunning? And this will do to turn around. I'm going to shut the visor because the wind noise will be terrible. Here we go. I can't see the drone. Not quite sure where he is. Oh, there he is, I can see it. hovering just above Jonathan. And I go directly underneath it and roll off down the hill. So I can turn round and come back again. See, this is all the footage you don't see on YouTube. When people do the drone footage, they don't show you all the faff. Here we go. He comes hammering through at a massive 25 miles an hour. What I should do is sort of hang off the bike and make it look as though I'm doing the corners at high speed. I can claim I slowed down the footage. I'm just riding back and forth enjoying this. This is beautiful. We've got the same spot where we turned around last time. Yeah, as I say, you don't see all this on YouTube, all the faff of setting up drones and riding back and forth and then going back. Yeah, that's good. Or no, that's rubbish. Do it again. Us YouTubers don't show you this bit normally. This is what's involved in getting the nice shots. Now all the drone footage is down to Norton Unofficial, not me. I'm just adding it to my video, my editing. So all the credit goes to Norton Unofficial. Check out his YouTube channel. It's very niche, it's all about Nortons. Really good channel, very informative, especially if you're into your Nortons. Okay, I think that's about it for the filming. Just circle around behind him. Whee. Let's see how we're doing. Well, that sounds good. See if I get some footage of him riding it. Just absolutely stunning up here, isn't it? Yeah, that's where I turned round. The weather started off pants this morning. Well, when we left Cardiff it was nice and sunny. When we got up near Brecon and Ryder it was wet. Unpleasantly wet. Now we get up here, it's quite nice. A few damp patches, but sun's out. Sun's out, bun's out. Look at that for a view. Right folks, at this point we decided to pull over in a little car park. I've never stopped here before, because when I was coming the other way I missed this bit. Stopped to take a few photos and have a look around, and Jonathan got the drone out and filmed some amazing footage. I would love to put music to this, but unfortunately due to YouTube's fussiness over music and copyright laws and all that, I can't. So please do enjoy the little bit of footage. It was supposed to be just a real quick explanation of a regular route backwards and how much better it is. It's now become a massive long video probably with all the drone footage and everything else. Apologies. Hope you enjoyed it. We're coming to the end of Elan Valley, going to go down the visitor centre and get a brew now. But either way, please do like, share, subscribe, all the usual. It really does help build my channel. I keep saying I want to hit 1,000 subs by the end of the year, which would be nice. Just to say I've done it. Alrighty folks. Never seen a reservoir quite this low. Hope you enjoyed this. It was a bit longer than I had originally anticipated. It was going to be a very short video saying how much better it is to do a regular route you've done in reverse. I've thoroughly enjoyed today. It's been fantastic. It's like I've never ridden this road before. But in the end it became a longer video with drone footage, which hopefully has been included in all that. So hope you enjoyed it. We're off to find a mug of coffee or tea or whatever it is. Well, I'm having coffee. Jonathan will probably have tea. And I will ask you as always to please do like, share, subscribe. It really does help build the channel for me. YouTube loves their algorithms and it really, really does help. But in the meantime, whatever you're doing folks, as always, please do be safe, ride safe and have fun. And of course, the most important, toodles!